Welcome, here I've got Motorola Moto G31 and let me show you how to change photo resolution in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button so we can open camera settings, and now we have to pick photos category. Here at the first place we have rear photo resolution, at the second front photo resolution, so you can pick whatever you need between back and front camera. Now let me pick rear one, and as you can see we get access to 3 options. You can stay here on whatever you need also, but I suggest you to keep it on the best possible recommended option. And in front we have only 2 options, and also we can pick recommended one. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.